Hey there, hi there, ho there. It's been 1 year since we purchased our little home here on Columbus Street. And so we thought we'd give a up-to-date video so everyone can see the past video, which was the first, actually, so it was the second video that we actually showed of this. The first one we kind of started and then had to stop because we had to get keys and whatever to get in. But the bottom line is we're outside our little house now, and we're going to do a video that hopefully comes pretty close to replicating what we had when we were here before. Isn't that right?
That's right.
That's right.
Yeah.
So she's not going to walk up there and get things out of the car and tell us about our realtor and the fun things that she got out of there. But as you'll recall from before, our intention was to get rid of the stairs that were over here on this end of the deck of the porch there, and then we wanted to redo the porch and repaint everything and get rid of the wall that was on the far side. I had walked up here, and so there was a wall on the far side over there, that this little knee wall that closed off that end. So we opened all that up and painted everything, and we still have those little crawl space window things to do, and get rid of trash bags. But basically, that's kind of where we're at. So before we went up the stairs right here, but now we have to walk around the
We're
front.
going up our new stairs. Custom stairs, custom railing, designed by David. Oh, and this, which we really didn't talk about.
Yeah, we didn't
that.
talk about it in the original, but
It
this was all leaning out towards the sidewalk, and so we kind of leveled that out, if you remember. Got that all done, and then did the landscaping. And these stairs were fallen and tilted. They were slanted way down towards the sidewalk, and so we've leveled those out and created our little landing and going up our stairs.
You can walk right up.
And we don't have to unlock it, but you can see we did replace the door that she was adamant about replacing. So
Yes, new mailbox
new mailbox,
and new street
street
sign.
sign. We got our
And window boxes that you added. Just pulled the old flowers out, getting ready for winter.
yeah, getting ready for windows because it's the end of October here, October 25th. We bought the home on the other video was October 26th, but you can see that's our window boxes and what we've done here. So we're working our way through. So we came in.
There's no stink this time. We don't have to worry about opening windows because it doesn't smell. It smells good.
So we came in and we were looking around
And I
before
was looking on light switches. So this is
our new
our
light.
parlor light, and it's dimmable, which is nice. We tried to be in keeping with the time period with the fixtures, and so this is a new one. But
Really, all the light fixtures are new.
yeah,
I don't think there's anything that's original.
yeah. You added the medallions up at the top, and this is the flooring. It's all exposed, all the hardwood. David sanded and stained and threw a rug down, and it's all good. So yeah, so we went from here, and then we went into this was
First
the
bedroom.
bedroom. We walked through here, and it had pink rose-colored carpeting, and it was pretty nasty. And so, new paint, new curtains. We found this bed at a salvage place, and some vintage furniture that belonged to family members, and yeah.
And behind you, above the entry there, no, behind you straight up. What was there before?
Oh, up here there was the American flag.
There was an American flag that was
It was
covering a
all-
bunch of bad plaster.
Yeah, it had all fallen, and so that was here too. All this, you can see the plaster that had.
So we
There
pulled
was
all
a
the
leak.
plaster off and exposed all this brick that we didn't have before.
And David built all of this shelving in, which looks fabulous. Everything's been painted all the cabinets, everything white. This, in the video, it said this was gonna be a
Potentially be a laundry
laundry
room.
room. It's not, it's a closet, storage
Still a closet.
Yeah, so
And we'll show you
all
that
that became.
change.
And then there's the bathroom.
The bathroom. The ceiling was low, if you'll recall from the video before, and it was just plain nasty with kind of a little shelving unit in here, and anyway, it was ugly.
Gross. Yeah.
But we got the ceilings up.
Let's do this.
You can flip on the light.
Oh, yeah. And this lights too. There.
So
It's
we did
updated.
tub and shower surround, flooring, tile, vanity. That it was original, we left it, and then a new light fixture that we added above.
Okay. And big change in here.
Big change in here.
Oh, I opened the closets and we don't need to see inside there, but this, all the clothes stuff, these have all been repainted, and so those pretty much stay the same. Your closet,
Was going to be the other part of the laundry room,
but
but it
it's really a
turned into a closet. And the laundry room actually got built and put right here. So if you want to
See that?
put that light on.
He added shelving up there for us. Did the stacked washer and dryer, and this is the door, which you'll see when we go out here. This was the old video. This was to, what was that
The
space?
original laundry room, if you want to call it that.
Yeah, yeah.
When we demoed that wall, then we took this door and repurposed it here.
So it looks wonderful. Same thing here, just painted all the ceiling fan, which is awesome. Added, and that's kind of it. Windows still need to be done, so they still look funky, but everything else looks fabulous. And then here's the dining room. New paint, ceilings and everything, new light fixture.
We replaced all the electrical, reran it because it was all the old
Yeah.
knob and tube, and we redid it. We exposed the brick
All
there
there.
next to the.
Covered the cap
Built in.
and had that funky cap up there that,
Mm-hmm.
and covered that up so you can't see it. There's this kitchen. You don't need to see inside the pantry too much, but this
Pantry, we talked about making into a refrigerator,
one's just-
place for this refrigerator, but that didn't work out. So we kept it a pantry.
So I just painted the shelves and we added some more shelving in there. And this is the big update. And so here was, what did you, here, this was the, there was a window there.
There's a window there on where they blocked it off for the laundry room in the room outside there, out that door.
You added the
We added the transom.
transom,
They had a transom, but it was just wallpapered over or something. I don't know.
broken glass.
But
And as we kept this door because it's so pretty.
and so if you recall, I was here in the previous video, and where the grill is now is where the washer and dryer were, and the hookups came up right here up into where this window is. And we were going to open up that window all the way through and come through here, but the kitchen didn't work out where we could do that. So since it was already partially boarded up, we just covered it completely and then made it decorative on the back side here because we opened this up to create our back porch. So this is our little kind of back porch area that didn't exist. The door that we repurposed for the laundry room was basically right here. And so that all got opened up, and we just tried to make a little place back here where we
So
can
that
relax.
We
And,
opened this, so we got to see this window that was covered up.
yeah, that was all covered.
Paneling, and then you cleared
And we
all
cleared
of this out.
because the ceiling was basically as high as this ceiling is here. It just went straight on across, and then we just opened it up where the roof line was when we were creating our porch. And so we just have this little back garden area and going on back
We used
around.
the old brick that was here
Mhm.
to build the
Create the
little,
path.
so you really couldn't see that in the other video
This
because
was
it was a wall.
this was a wall here, completely closed, because this they'd made into a room, an ugly, nasty, scary room, but it was a room
Refrigerator,
nonetheless. The
yeah.
refrigerator was out here in their kitchen,
Go ahead and show the arbor while we're out here.
and so we've been, trying to work on landscaping, etc. We've got the arbor built in.
this was all nothing.
bamboo along the
This was all
fence, so
just weeds
it's
and
green.
yeah, this is all nasty, so it's all nice. It's the big change. Yeah, sorry. Anyway.
So this was that scary torture room that they had,
Yeah, the big boxes back there.
and it's now become the workshop, garage storage kind of stuff. And so this is where all the magic happens.
So where was the wall you took out? Well, you took out all that.
So where this step is, that you can see right here, that drops down to the concrete floor, that was a wall that went all the way across here and divided, you know, the two sections from each other. So you can see there's the step up. So everything that was up there was in that room, and then everything was down here was only accessed via this door, which takes you out onto the driveway and etc. So that's where you would have come in from this side of it, and then that would have been a wall that you couldn't have gone past, and then from there you're back out into what was the old laundry room, refrigerator room. So
Say what this says.
that's it.
Go ahead. Let's put this in video. That means it has to happen.
Well, we're exploring the possibility of putting a fireplace in, because that's one thing we really miss not having here, along with the second bathroom. But the bottom line is we came across these really cool old mantle pieces. So there's 2 columns and 2 bases to go with them. And we just thought they were really cool and in keeping with the house. So my sweetheart wants a fireplace. We're going to see if we can't make it happen.
Yeah.
And it'll basically go probably where the TV is now, in that living room, parlor area. If we can make it happen, which we think we can.
We're going to make it happen. You're going to make it happen.
So there you go. Another project. It's always ongoing. But that's where we're at. Anything else you want to add?
No, I'll say bye like I did in the other video.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.